Want to create a flowchart in Microsoft Word? Follow these simple steps to build one in just a few minutes. First, open Microsoft Word and click on the Insert tab. From the options, select Smart Art. A dialog box will appear. Click on Hierarchy and choose the style that best fits your needs. Then, click OK. Now, a sample flowchart appears on your document. On the left side of the flowchart, you'll see a small arrow. Click on it, and a text pane will open beside the diagram. Delete all the placeholder text. Now, let's create a simple decision-making flowchart using an example. Going for a walk. Press Enter to add the next step. Is it raining? Since this is a decision, there will be two possible answers, yes and no. To add yes, press Enter, then press Tab and type yes. Press Enter again and press Tab to add the next step. Take an umbrella and go for walk. For no, press Enter and align the cursor under yes. Then type no and under it type go for a walk. Now, let's improve the flowchart by changing the connector lines to arrows. Select all the lines, right-click, and choose Format Shape. On the right side of the screen, the editing panel will appear. Under Line Options, select End Arrow Type. Choose the arrow style that best fits your design. You can also adjust the size, transparency, and color of the arrows. Since decision points require a diamond shape, we need to adjust them. Select the decision box. Right-click, choose Change Shape, and select the diamond shape. Now you can customize the flowchart by adjusting colors, fonts, and alignment to make it more visually appealing and easy to understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more Microsoft Office tips.